Blessings, blessings, blessings. Welcome to Asomasi TV. Welcome back if you've been here before, or welcome if it's your first time. Now, I started this channel to try to enlighten some people, my Jamaican people, try to bring information to people to open them eyes, bring information to people to better yourself, better yourself, your community, Jamaica as a whole, But what I see going on in Jamaica today is the people in power. You understand? Now when I say power, from the Prime Minister down, most people when them get a position, them start to take advantage of that position every chance them get, including the Prime Minister. You understand? No. I'm not saying it's a problem solely for Jamaica, but if for a little country also, if you get a chance to do something for your country, for make your country better, for improve your country, but instead of doing that, all you think about is to get money in your pocket or in your account or wherever you hide up the money. You understand? You're not doing nothing more than hurting Jamaicans and Jamaica in a whole. All you think about is yourself. And sad to say, that is the truth about most of these people when some get a position. You understand? Alright. I want to show how Jamaica is connected to the world, or I would say similar to the world on a bigger picture. Alright? Donald Trump, when he become president, a lot of people flock to him, white and black alike. You understand? White and black alike. Me say, white man where them go crazy when Trump win. You understand? And for some of them I can't understand, because enough of them afraid say them a lose them country, and which are not even for them country. That's a different story. America belong to the Indian them and a white man country. You understand? But them come and take it and say for them country. Anyway, apart from that, them a worship Donald Trump like him a god. Right? Him can't do nothing wrong, him can't say nothing wrong. But yet still, Trump in there for himself. Trump in there forget everything where him can get. You understand? All him there for have to fatten for him account and him family and such account or finances. So I mean, but the people them now look on that. Them just pay attention to the little, crap them where him do, like, him do things to make it look like him a keep out the foreigner them and where when in reality it make the situation worse. You understand? But the people them not pay attention to the dirt where him do. You understand? Them want somebody where I go do where them want. And what them want is to see the foreigners stop coming out of the country. Now, me not say you shouldn't have some kind of rules and regulation in place, how you go about coming into a country. You understand? But the way Trump go about it is wrong. You understand? America have rules and regulation how that work, and the way him did go about it was wrong. You understand? But enough about him. I talk about few Jamaican people here now. Alright? This pastor man here, Kevin Smith, him are the same thing. Him get a position as a pastor, and instead of take the position for help people, him a look how him can fatten for him pocket them. You understand? How him can get money from them people here. You know? I figure out 101 different way to scheme out money from people. And him did that do it. And on top of that, enough of the people them still a run back at him up till now. After them find out what this man really up to, what him really about, them still a run back at him. You understand? Sorry for people, you know, cause if them see somebody with money, dress nice, nice house, nice car, them don't know what them people they do forget them thing there. You understand? But them a look up to them like, who are the best thing that's since sliced bread, are the wickedest thing that, you know? Who? You understand? Them a give them people all kind of praise and admiration. Find out where them people the money come from. Don't just jump on a bandwagon and you understand? You have to know these things. Everybody with money so the money come from hard work. No fight at dirty money. No fight at blood money. No fight at thieving money. You see me I say? Alright? But the whole point what me I make is people, all of them people here were in a high position, government position especially, from police up to the prime minister. We pay them, you know, our tax money pay them people, you know. You don't know that, right? There's no tax money pay them people there. So that means that them a work for we, right? Them a work for we, the people of the country, we. So I say, so if them a do certain things where you not like, you no stand up, you no bring people together and protest. You no protest. So I say, shut down the place. Shut down the place. If say things now run how you want it to run, what you do is you organize with other people who feel the same way how you feel. And you do protest. But it have to be peaceful protest. So I say, you organize. So right now I see with the big 9 time. Everybody have to wear a mask. You know? You do up on the road when a time when you can't dip on the road. And you protest. Nobody have to go to work. Everybody for in the road and I show, you know, voice them opinion upon things. So you have to get everybody upon the page. You know? Everybody have to come together. That's the one thing where we now do as a people. We now come together. So I say. So we have to learn as a people how to work together. Everybody else, you know, do that, you know. Most other, let's say, group of people can do that. But it seems like say we have a hard time to do it. You know, and if we do it, we don't follow through. You understand? We do a little one day something and then I hate that. No. You have to keep at it. You not get results without you do hard work, you put in the work. Right? No. Another person I go mention where of late me I hear, you know, couple things where I don't like what me I hear. So as for this person yeah, me I go say, you know, can't put 100% in it right now, but me I hear, you know, from more than one source. So something I go on this, right? The new Maroon chief, me here say, him I come with the same kind of mentality, yeah. You understand? Where me get position, so me are the big man, so everything goes according to how me say it goes. Forget about the rules and laws what they did before me come. Me are the big man now, so me I make the new rules. No. And furthermore, me I hear say him don't want to be called chief, him want to be called His Excellency. Oh, like me say, me I hear these things, me not know if there is any truth to it. You understand? So like people that say alleged, you understand? It is alleged until there's further proof. So I have to go with alleged for now. But me a pray say that and so it go. Because me did kinda like how me see him a move. You understand? But if I saw him a go on in public and then behind the scenes is a different thing, no, that can't work either. You understand? So for now, the verdict, me not call it yet. You understand? But me I say we have to watch the part there. See? Me just want we as a people to stop take crap from everybody. Take crap from everybody. Even we won't. We not take no crap. We have to come together and work together. You understand? Together we stand, divided we fall. You understand? So we have to work together. Come my people, we could get it together. Please like and share this video and watch out for the next one. Respect. As I see it TV.